All right, everybody. We are officially in the first stage of labor. She's been acting like this all day. She's getting more and more uncomfortable. She's been digging, discharging, licking, panting a lot. We have all of our towels ready. We are currently in our bedroom. This is where she decided to have them. She has a whelping box, but I always just let my females choose where to give birth. It's a lot less stressful on them. And it's my mess to clean up, so. That's what I decided to do. It makes it better on the mommy. She sleeps here every night with us, so we figured we might as well just let her have them here. She's comfortable here. Even though this bed's very tiny, she loves this bed. And it's already ripped up from the other dogs and her, so we'll throw it out when she's done. But I'm super excited. Of course, the first stage can take hours. Anywhere from 6 to 12 to 24 hours. But I believe she started this stage yesterday. It's just progressing and getting stronger. See how she just won't stop licking? And she's not a licker at all. She don't even lick us when she gives us kisses. Like, she don't kiss us. She's not a kissing dog. So. You doing okay, baby? Huh? Are you doing okay? Are you doing okay, my girl? Are you doing okay? Whatever calms her down and keeps her calm. If that's what she wants to do, so be it. And I'll keep everybody posted as we go through this journey tonight. I'm predicting it's going to happen in the middle of the night, and I'm predicting she won't be done until late tomorrow morning, even around noon. I mean, that's just how it usually turns out. All I use is towels. That's it. And once she gives birth, I'm wearing my husband's night pants. They didn't have anything I wanted to ruin. My poor baby. All right, so that is her puppy box. I throw rugs down in that, and that is a horse stall mat inside there. It's so easy to spray and keep clean. And I use rugs because they're rubber backed and they hold a lot of moisture, and I just wash them in the washer. Change them out every day. Super simple. And a little dog bowl. I have it ready as well for her water. But that's where she'll be when she's done giving birth. Once she's calmed down, rested, she's feeling better, we'll transfer her and her puppies over here. Super exciting. I have this blocked off so the other dogs cannot come to the back part of the house and disturb her. I've been sitting and watching her all day. It's a long process, especially for first-time mothers. Are you okay, baby? Mm-hmm. You're okay, baby. Yeah. You're okay. Mm-hmm. You're okay. She's getting so skinny. See her spine sticking out? She has not been eating good for the last 3 days, I would say. Because she's been sick to her belly because of the pending labor. She's only been eating maybe 2 cups of food a day. Not much at all. So, and licking seems to make her happy right now. But being a woman who has given birth before natural, you gotta do whatever you gotta do to get your mind off the situation. So that's what's helping her get through it. Don't mind the trim. We have not put our trim down in here yet. The whole house was a work in progress, and we've come a long way. So I'll just keep doing videos as she progresses. I'm predicting her first puppy around 9 or 10, but that's just a rough prediction. Like I said, it can vary from female to female, and she might not have her first one until 1, 2 in the morning. It's really hard to tell, but we are ready. She is currently 64 days. So she's ready for this to happen. We're all so excited to see the babies. Yeah, Arya. Arya, our baby. Yeah. Yeah. I took her collar off of her just to make her more comfortable. All right, more updates will come as she progresses further. If anybody is interested in one of her puppies, get a hold of me in a comment. Join my Facebook group. If you're already on my Facebook group, just message me. It's super exciting. They are full AKC registration. The puppies will be. Hi, baby. Hi, my little girl. Hi, my little girl. Oh. Oh. You're okay. You're okay. Oh. She's just been resting. She has a long night ahead of her, so resting is good. When she's nesting, I'll get a video of that as well. But she's doing that quite often. This is the most she's licked this whole time, so. I'm thinking it's getting more uncomfortable for her because she's being anxious in her licking. So we will see. All right, everybody. More to come. Exciting, exciting. Subscribe, like. That way you don't miss anything coming up.